Causes of Snoring, Home Remedies Tips and Trick to Stop for Snoring. Welcome to Kitchen Made Health. In this video we will be discussing the causes of snoring and effective home remedies, tips, and tricks to help you stop snoring. Snoring is a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. It not only disturbs your sleep, but also the sleep of your partner or roommate. First of all, what is snoring? Snoring is the sound that occurs when the airflow through your mouth and nose is obstructed while you sleep. This causes the tissues in your throat to vibrate, resulting in a snoring sound. Snoring can be caused by various factors, including lifestyle choices, medical conditions, and sleeping habits. Causes of snoring. 1. Obesity. Excess weight can lead to the accumulation of fat around your neck, which can narrow your airway and cause snoring. 2. Sleep position. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue and soft palate to collapse to the back of your throat, obstructing the airflow and causing snoring. 3. Alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol before bedtime relaxes the muscles in your throat, which can cause snoring. 4. Allergies. Allergies can cause nasal congestion and inflammation, making it difficult to breathe through your nose, resulting in snoring. 5. Smoking. Smoking irritates the tissues in your throat, causing inflammation and narrowing the airway, leading to snoring. 6. Sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition where the airway is repeatedly blocked, causing breathing to stop temporarily, leading to snoring. Home remedies, tips, and tricks to stop snoring. 1. Lose weight. Losing weight can reduce the amount of fat around your neck, which can open up your airway and reduce snoring. 2. Change your sleep position. Sleeping on your side can help prevent your tongue and soft palate from collapsing to the back of your throat, reducing snoring. 3. Avoid alcohol. Avoid drinking alcohol before bedtime, as it relaxes the muscles in your throat, leading to snoring. 4. Treat allergies. Treating your allergies with medications or nasal sprays can reduce nasal congestion and inflammation, making it easier to breathe through your nose and reducing snoring. 5. Stop smoking. Quitting smoking can reduce inflammation in your throat, making it easier to breathe and reducing snoring. 6. Use a humidifier. Using a humidifier in your bedroom can keep the air moist, reducing nasal congestion and snoring. 7. Elevate your head. Elevating your head with an extra pillow or an adjustable bed can help keep your airway open and reduce snoring. And finally, snoring is a common problem that affects many people, but there are various home remedies, tips, and tricks that can help reduce snoring. By making simple lifestyle changes and treating underlying medical conditions, you can get a better night's sleep and improve your overall health. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos.